At what age did you start experiencing when it was more noticeable?
Till 35, it was all fine. But somehow the thinning happened gradually over the years.
Yeah.
I never have seen my hair falling a lot,
Yeah.
even by combing or probably having aftershower. Once I had approached a doctor way back, he gave me some ampules, or I couldn't afford it. I
Yeah,
am keloid prone, so
Correct.
I keep asking different doctors. All say the protocol says no.
Most doctors also sometimes do not encourage to get the procedure done, thinking that okay, it can cause keloidal tendency because you have the hypertrophic scars and all of that.
That's scary. It's a nightmare. Even 1% of risk is too much. At last, I came across a friend who did this. That's when I thought, like, now I must take a chance. No, I showed my case, did a patch test, waited for 10 days. It was healing properly.
How was your overall mindset while the procedure was happening?
Like anybody, you have your heartbeats high, but then that's just for a week, it gives you years ahead.
Dubai, we know it's very common. Transplants happen. People even go to Turkey.
What I advise people is to do where you live. Do not do a one-day sitting.
When did you start appreciating the results?
The third or fourth month onwards, it started covering up. It contributes indirectly to your life. You have more confidence. Not only the hair care, now you start your skin care. You start your diet. You want to be on shape. People start saying, oh, you look different. It's done well. There are a few things which you spend for yourself, so this is one of them. Now I'm 48 right now. Since a year, I'm back to 35, I guess.